Well, good afternoon, Coaster Crew fans. This is Tim coming back from Islands of Adventure for another Velociraptor roller coaster construction update. Lots of work going on. The barrel roll is in as of just a couple of days ago. Man, this thing looks like it's going to be nuts. Can't believe how much the track just weaves in and out, and just a big spaghetti bowl of a mess. I love it. I'm going to try and get some closer shots for you guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and of course hit that bell to receive future notifications for future videos. And of course, like us on all of our other social media handles: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And tell me what you guys think about this coaster in the comments, and of course give me a thumbs up if you love it. And we'll see you guys real soon. Be safe, everybody.